Meet the Amazon's mystical marvel. In the heart of the jungle, an extraordinary creature holds secrets waiting to be discovered. So why does the pink river dolphin stand out among its kind? Unlike its ocean-dwelling relatives, this clever dolphin transforms the rainforest into its playground. As the rain transforms forests into rivers, it navigates seamlessly through submerged trees, a testament to its adaptability. For indigenous tribes, this enchanting dolphin embodies mysticism and tradition. But just as stories blend with reality, one question lingers. What undiscovered wonders does this creature's world still hold?